If you're wondering how far a septic tank should be from a well or any water source, the answer is usually between 50 and 100 feet, but it really depends on your local rules. So, here's the deal. First, always check with your local health department or building codes to know the exact distance required because it's different everywhere. If they say 50 feet, don't just assume that's safe. Sometimes more space is needed depending on soil type and water flow. Next, make sure the septic tank is downhill from the well if possible. That way, any leaks won't easily contaminate your water. Also, avoid placing the tank near any surface water like ponds or streams because that can cause serious pollution. Keep your drain field at least 50 feet away as well since it filters wastewater into the ground. Regular maintenance is key too. Pumping the tank every 3 to 5 years helps keep everything flowing right and prevents leaks. You should also watch out for cracks or damage around the tank area and fix them fast. Lastly, keep heavy vehicles off the septic area to avoid damaging pipes or the tank itself. One of the biggest screw-ups with septic tanks near wells is ignoring local septic tank distance requirements, which can lead to contaminated drinking water and costly cleanup. Fix this by always getting the official setback distance from your local authorities before installation. Another common mistake is poor placement without thinking about water flow. So if your tank is uphill from the well, you risk dirty water running into your clean source. Putting it downhill or far enough away solves that. Third, folks often skip regular septic tank inspections and pumping, which causes backups or leaks that harm nearby wells. Set a reminder every few years to get it pumped and inspected to avoid that mess. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know what they're doing with septic systems and other big jobs. Contractors also love it because it helps them find steady work with people who actually need their skills nearby.